What's up, River Boys, and welcome back to the Brax River Boys channel. We are literally just off to my nan's to pick up the Hoover. My Hoover has gone broken, and I need a Hoover. Me and Bex aren't really talking that much at the moment, so and then after that, after we've hoovered up and all that stuff, we've got a surprise package coming. I've got no idea who from. I literally just got an email from the DWP and they say it's going to come around 4 o'clock. So we're going to keep out for that. I can't wait. What is wrong with people, mate? It's like 40 degrees out, mate. I'm sweating my nuts off. And you've got people in hoodies and body warmers. Like, please, seriously, check your hard drive. Like, these people are fucking weirdos, mate. 40 degrees wearing body warmers. Jesus. I've seen me nanny. We're now off to Reddittle to get some milk for me, and I'll also get me nan a French stick. And that's a French stick, not a Frenchman's dick. My nan's celibate. Mission completed. We got my nan her French stick. We also done a bit of shopping for myself. I've got some bread, some wraps, some butter, 95p, that's brilliant. My favourite, Marmite. And we also got, for 95 pence, some sausage rolls. Anyway, let's get back home, let's carry the Hoover home, and we'll see what someone has sent me. Blood and sand. It's a lot heavier than it looks. Like, seriously, it's a lot heavier. But yeah, look at this, man. There's like some memorialised this lady, and the youth of today have just graffitied all over it. If you do this, you're a knob. Like, you're just the biggest knob. You're worse than people that drink Prime over the age of 18. Like, you're just a nonce. You really are. So, we finally got the Hoover home, and we're going to see how well it sucks. I do feel kind of ripped off. My nan said I could have the Hoover, and then she said I got to pay £20 on Friday. We compromised with a pizza, but then afterwards she told me that she hadn't used it in about 10 years. So I've just been hustled by my nan. But let's see how well the thing sucks. Oh, baby! Oh, yes! Oh, yes! Excellent! Absolutely excellent. It's actually got some sucking power. Anyways, I am going to crack on with hoovering my house, and then I will see you for when my packages get here. It is here, ladies and gentlemen. I want to make sure I don't get. We've got a huge package sent. This was sent by Steady. So, thank you very much in advance. Now we've just got to open the thing. Maybe we should have got scissors. This has proven to be a lot. Oh, there you go. Side. Just open it at the side. Oh, it's in a cardboard box. Oh, this is like Christmas. Oh. This is definitely like Christmas. Thank you once again, Steady. Much appreciated. Oh, what a day we're having. We've got a nice surprise package. We've got a Hoover from me nan, which I've got to buy a pizza for on Friday. My house has not been clean. I've never felt so middle class. Fucking hell. Oh! Jesus Lord. No way, mate! No way! Oh! We've got a brand new kettle! Oh, brilliant! Steady! You're actually a legend! Oh, mate, it's fancy as well. It's Russell Hobbs. That's like the epitome of fancy. Like, if it's a Russell Hobbs, it's fancy. Let's have a look at it. Thank you once again. Oh, we'll have to get some of them lime scale things that you put in. Oh, I'm definitely middle class these days. I've got a Hoover, a nice kettle. I've got the pads. Oh, this is excellent. Thank you very much, Steady Eddie. Look, Russell Hobbs, mate. Russell Hobbs. People are going to start thinking I'm a Tory voter. Oh, right. What else we got here? No way. It's another Russell Hobbs. We've got a toaster. A 4-tier. No way it's a 4-tier toaster. I've never owned a 4-tier toaster before. Like, this is like proper Tory voters. Only Tory voters have 4-tier toasters. Oh, it is! Oh my god! Thank you so much, Steady! Oh! I've just creamed my pants! If I could get it out. I think someone heard me say that I put eggs in my toaster when I was trying to make eggy bread. I think that's where this has come from. Thank you very much, Steady. Much appreciated. It's a 4-tier toaster. Brand new 4-tier toaster. I would put his link to his thingy, eBay. Yeah, go and find Eddie. Steady Eddie. I'm just going to call you Steady Eddie. Feel free to put your link in the description to your eBay. Thank you so much. Before we go, we're going to go and test out the toaster. Look at this. We are going places. The hob's still nice and clean. A new toaster. A new kettle. And I've stuck my microwave up there just so I don't have to see it. But, mate, we're looking classy these days. Yeah? Classy. I'm sure it's just me being thick, but the other one doesn't work. Do you know what? A toast is a toaster, and it's free. I'm not complaining. Thank you very much, Steady. I'll see if I can fix it, but I don't think that's likely. But yeah, let's see what lovely toast we get out of it anyway. Lovely jubbly. A lovely toast out of my toaster. I haven't fixed it yet, but we will do. Anyway, thank you, Steady. Thank you, everyone that's got this far on the stream. I will see you on Saturday for the Backlash, WWE Backlash at 10 o'clock. I'll be drinking and we'll have some laughs. Until then, I will see you later. Much love. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all that jizz. I love you all. Ba-ba-da-ba.